thank you.
What are you doing?
I'm eating.
Eating food off the plates in the dishwasher? Oh my god, Stosh. Sorry. You're a crazy person. Oh, this is wasteful. Sawyer! Hey! Aww. He's got rice on his lip.
Gonna have some more.
Oh, this is very wasteful, you guys.
You know there are kids in Africa, which I don't even know what that is.
Sawyer, where's the fan? It's up in the sky. We don't have it. There's no fan in here.
It's over there.
Sawyer, what does a bear say?
Yeah.
Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. No? You don't want to say goodbye? Stosh, he's going to pull it right off the track. Oh, God. Get over it. Stop watching the TV. Okay, say bye-bye, Sawyer.
You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Rice lip.